Hello guys, today I am going to discuss a particular product called camera stand, and I have used so many cameras, but this camera stand is really good. Like my earlier videos, I have used stands from the Sony, from the other vendors. It has everything. It can be used as a tripod. It can be used as a monopod. It can be upside down. Plus, it has a horizontal bar, and horizontal bar can be rotated 360 degree. So it's amazing, and the build is very strong, and I'm going to explain the features of this stand, so it will be very helpful to you. Guys, I can easily say that you will not need any other stand once you buy this stand, and this is not a paid review. This is, I bought it and I felt that I should say. What I most like about this stand is the minute details, like for example for the groove fix, and everything is properly organized so well that I'm really impressed with this stand. And let's start discussing its feature. So feature number one, the main platform is very strong and it has anti-slip groove feature into it. Let's go to feature number two. Feature number two is anti-slip groove. So this is used when your quick release plate has to be put on that with the camera. So it supports the quick release plate. Plain quick release plate later. But now let's go to the feature number three, which is platform locking knob. Platform locking knob, you can tighten the quick release plate which holds the camera. Let's move to feature number 4, which is vertical bubble level. So this level you can check that whether your camera is vertical or not. Now let's move to fifth feature. Fifth feature is universal locking thread. So this thread helps in tightening with the camera, and then you can put it on the platform. Now let's move to feature number 6, the base locking knob. So base locking knob is very useful when this entire ball head is taken away and then camera is put on it, and then later you want to put it on the stand, and then this base locking knob can be tightened. And then there is seventh feature called base. So the base is basically on that, you just tighten with the base knob. Feature number 8, quick release plate. So quick release plate is very important when you want to take it away from the platform and want to fit it camera and then put it back. Now let's move to feature number 9, the ball. The ball is used to tilt the camera into several directions. Now let's move to feature number 10, the ball wrap. The ball wrap holds the ball and then it allows to tighten the knob around it. Now let's move to feature number 11, the ball locking knob. So the ball locking knob is very useful when you want to lock the camera in any tilted position. Now let's move to feature number 12, the base angle dial. So base angle dial is very useful when the rod is horizontal or vertical. So in that case you might like to have the alignment with the base. So if you look at this stand, then there are 3 legs and there is one vertical rod. So this vertical rod can be taken out and made as a horizontal, and then it can be again put it back and made it vertical. So it can be used as a vertical as well as horizontal. Now the legs of this stand can be bent 180 degree, so it can be tilted towards up or down, and then you have the upper portion, the header part, which can be taken out and the camera can be fitted on it. Now I am going to take out the rod and make it as a horizontal and then fit the camera and then show to you. You can see that when it came with the upside down. So basically you can fit the camera downwards also. So I am taking out the leg because I have to make it as horizontal. So guys, my camera is ready and camera is horizontal aligned and it is facing downward, so it can record something on just below it. Now I will disassemble it and make it as a monopod. Separate out the head, separate out the horizontal bar, and connect the bar with the head, and it becomes your monopod. Now the another feature of this stand is that the horizontal rod can be rotated 360 degree. So the locking knob can be loosened, and then the stand can be put in the flat position, and then bar can be rotated 360 degree. What I like most about this stand, guys, that the extra leg caps they have provided extra tools with this stand, so tools can be used to tighten or loosen the screws on the legs. So guys, thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have any questions related to this stand. I will be happy to answer those questions.